How to get your first wholesaling real estate deal with AI. What's going on, guys? Zach in here. In today's video, I'll be showing you pretty much my favorite methods that are free and paid for you to get a wholesaling real estate deal in 2026, step by step. And so there's some really innovative ways to use the brand new models with ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude to go out here and use that AI to go out here and get a wholesaling real estate deal. The cool part is, for most people, it's going to cost you no money at all to get a wholesaling real estate deal with AI completely for free. But most people don't know how to prompt. They have no idea at all how to use this awesome, amazing AI technology to get wholesaling real estate deals. And everyone thinks it just comps properties for you, and then that's all ChatGPT is, but it is super powerful. But before I break it down, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. So first and foremost, we have to talk about the elephant in the room, AI. AI is either going to be absolutely amazing for you in wholesaling, or it is going to be a detriment. Because I truly believe the success a lot of wholesalers are going to be having next year or 2 years is not AI itself, but it's how you're able to use AI or even prompt AI. Wholesalers that use AI to help them are going to do very well. And wholesalers that don't use AI to help them are going to just kind of not go away, but they're going to struggle a lot harder than people that use AI. And then the wholesalers also that over rely on AI for everything, I don't think they're going to succeed too well either. So there's always a push and pull here. So let me go out here and share some of my favorite, like really easy, simple ways to start getting deals with AI. And so the first thing here is my ChatGPT Zillow hack. So it's really simple and easy. Is if we're going to do Indiana, for example, I'm going to go out here and say, find me the best wholesaling deals in Indiana that are on Zillow. So find Zestimates that are higher than the listing price and what you think will be a good wholesaling. I can make it do FSBOs, not FSBOs, whatever, right? But what's really cool is what ChatGPT is going to do here is analyze all the properties that are on Zillow and find ones where they think the listing price is undervalued compared to this estimate. Now, what's really interesting is there's different type of what we call LLMs, which are large language models. And what they do is they're a little different. So if I ask, for example, Claude to do the same thing for me, which is just another one. So it's Claude.ai, CLAUDE.ai. And I pop up Google Gemini, do the same thing. They're all going to come out with different types of properties, which is always really interesting. So these are all different like AI chat models. So you got ChatGPT, you got Gemini, which is gemini.google.com. And they're all going to find their own specific properties they think are actually good little wholesaling deals. So I'm actually really starting to like Claude a lot. I feel like their reasoning is actually better than most. And we're just going to show a quick comparison between the two. So if I go to Google Gemini, it's showing me the properties that I literally asked for, and it's showing where the Zestimate and the list price are completely different, which is interesting, and lets me export it to a sheet, which is really cool. It's analyzing and saying, this seems like a good deal because it's been days on market pretty high. This had a recent cut. So it's showing you automatically which deals you should be going after. Claude's doing something too, but it's also telling you be careful of just Zestimates. It's telling me what neighborhoods to market. So I'm gonna ask it, can you find me the top deals for wholesaling on Zillow? I don't think we're gonna pull Zillow. Let's see here. Because I specifically asked it, now it's going out here and analyzing the properties, which is actually kind of funny. I like how it automatically, without even telling, automatically looking at properties that are under a certain sale price. It didn't want to give me the actual properties specifically, but because I asked it a second time, because I'm such a nice guy, it's actually going and doing it. Now going back out here to ChatGPT, again, I'm just going in between them. It's showing some potential properties right here, which is interesting. It's showing investor special and all those things for us. I'm just going to say, show me the top 10 deals I can call. You think I can make the most money wholesaling in Indiana? See what it says. So as Gemini gave me a top 10. So that's awesome right there. And right here on ChatGPT, it's showing me the best deals and why, which I think is pretty cool. Specifically this deal, they think it's really good, even though the house is a little ugly here. What's cool here too is you can go out here and screenshot the pictures, and you can bring the pictures back to the GPT and say, based on this pics of the property, what do you comp and think I should lock this deal up for if I want to make, let's say, $10,000. So you can also, before you're trying to get a wholesale deal, figure out on Zillow, how much should you offer? You can literally show the pictures of the property to ChatGPT and have it tell you exactly what they think the repair costs are, have it comp the property for you, and do it all and completely for free. If I had this as a beginner, this would be completely game changing for me. Now, if I go on Claude, which is absolutely really crazy, it's actually analyzing the deals for me here and telling me that, hey, this is our top pick. It has price cuts, day on markets, all these things, view on Zillow. And it's telling me that this property specifically is going to be the best deal. And honestly, like, this looks like a good wholesale deal. It's having a lot of price cuts. It's a nice duplex, which is kind of funny for me right here. So it's listed for $99,000. It's telling me that MA of 71 on this thing, which is really cool too. So I'm actually really liking Claude. And so I don't think a lot of people on wholesale are talking about Claude. This is definitely a really good option for us, especially 85 days on market. With ChatGPT, it's going to give us our analysis here and tell us that roughly we need to lock this thing up for 25 to 28,000. So I am starting to prefer Claude over everything else because it's actually doing a lot more analysis and analyzing things really cool, but it's really up to you. Now, the next really exciting thing I think AI is doing to go out here and find wholesaling real estate deals for free is going to be what I'm calling my free AI driving for dollars. Now, I don't think anyone's ever talked about this publicly on YouTube, so I'm actually really excited to share with this. But you could just go out here and have AI drawing for dollars happen for you completely for free with ChatGPT. Now, let me explain how. So for example here, this is a neighborhood in Florida, Sebastian, Florida. And let's say I am lazy and I don't want to drive for dollars. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go out here and go on Google Maps. And I'm going to go back a little more here. Just a tad more perfect. Okay. And I'm going to screenshot this entire neighborhood. Okay. And then I'm going to go out here and paste it right here. I'm then going to let's go to another neighborhood right here. I'm going to screenshot right here. Sick. And then I'm going to go back out here and just go back in this area right here. All right, cool screenshot right here. And then I'm going to say, based on this imagery, find me the top 5 most motivated properties for wholesaling for a deal. And what we're going to do is just have the AI go out here and analyze it, and it's going to go out here and find the top 5 properties. Now, what's this basically doing? It's doing what X Leads does, but you're doing a lot more manual, which you're screenshotting this. Now, X Leads actually has live satellite views. These are probably going to be a month or two old, but still, it's not bad. And I can tell you that 99% of wholesalers, especially without any money or budget, they're not doing this. And so you're going to have AI go out here and analyze these street images and let us know exactly the top 5 motivated properties. And let's use Google's Gemini and actually do it for them too. So let's go out here and do a different part of Florida. So this is going to be Palm Bay, Florida, which is actually a really good area. So let's actually go out here and let's do a little farther one right here. And let's do another area out here. I mean, these are great wholesaling markets. Let's go a little more zoomed in. And let's go out here and screenshot and share with you here. And let's go to Gemini. Let's just do that neighborhood really quick. And just say, find me the most motivated deals for this as an AI driving for dollars analyzer. And we'll see what's showing here. So it can flag 5 properties here. So it's telling me at the Osceola Avenue cul-de-sac under disturbance. Second image far left, Osceola Avenue cul-de-sac. So where's Osceola Avenue? Right here, cul-de-sac. It's showing that the property over here looks like there's some disturbance here. And obviously, it looks like there's some building going on right here. Tear down, major rehabs happening there. Now it's saying that the first image, center right on Carnival Avenue, there's a raw exposed orange roof. Interesting, from storm damage. So first image, center right Carnival Avenue. First image, central right Carnival Avenue, orange roof. Okay, we gotta get some more analysis on here. So the Periwinkle Drive curves into Carnival Avenue. Periwinkle. Show me this property has some overgrowth going on there. That's really cool. Is the Osceola Avenue cul-de-sac. That's pretty cool. Now, if I use Google Gemini, it's telling me right here that south side of Falconer Street has a bad roof. So I'm just going to ask, All right, so Falconer Street Northwest, third house east of Mohawk Avenue Northwest. Third East Mohawk Avenue Northwest. Third East Mohawk Avenue. Oh, wow. It's this property right here. Holy moly, look at that house. Wow. There's a lot going on here. Jeez. Yeah, let me go street view on this sucker. Yeah, there's a lot going on here. This house looks a lot cleaner now. This is from 2022, obviously. But what's really cool is the AI can go out here, and this is a newer property. It's like there's a lot going on here, which might be a bad 10 or something. Wow, that's pretty cool. Let's use another one, for example, just make this one a little easier. So if I screenshot this, and if you want, right, you can actually just do this really quick and actually get the street numbers in place right here. Let's see how much I go. All right, cool. So this one will have the street numbers on here, so it'll be a little easier. So if I want to screenshot this, now let's see what the AI is going to do. It should pick up this property right here. I mean, look at that. That one's got a messed up roof on it. And then this one, pretty messed up too. Let's see which one it'll show. Okay. What about here? So we're going to have it analyze this image right here and do some AI drawing for dollars. So it says the best lead is 1722. So 1722. Where's 1722? 172. Oh, this like overgrowth area right here. Yeah, I agree. Is this one 1753? Nanton Street. Nanton Street. Where's Nanton? Oh, yeah. It's looking at these bushes right here. Interesting. So it's looking at all the properties and analyzing it for you, which is really cool. Now, on top of that, too, another way you can get wholesaling real estate deals that I don't think anyone ever talks about is what I call testimonial scraping. So if you want to go out here and let's say you want to go to freewholesaling.com, my free real estate wholesaling school group and community, the largest school group in real estate, and you want to go out here and try to see how other people are becoming successful, you can literally go out here and probably scrape the testimonials right here and just copy all the successful testimonials. So if you want to take all of these posts and, for example, like this one, screenshot it, screenshot all of them, and ask AI, based on all these testimonials, where should I be virtually wholesaling? It can go scrape all that data and tell you, hey, there's like 30 guys who are getting deals in Houston, Texas doing this list. Maybe you should do the same thing. So those are the top free ways. What are the top paid ways to use AI to get your first wholesaling deal? Well, obviously, the best free way to get your first wholesaling real estate deal is going to be using a software that uses AI to help you get deals. And that software is XLeads. XLeads is the ultimate all-in-one wholesaling real estate software. Now, specifically what XLeads lets you do is two really cool AI things. Number one, it does AI drawing for dollars for you. So it actually looks at live satellite views, not like 2 or 3 months old like Google Maps. It analyzes every property in America from 0 to 100, how ugly the property is. And number two, it does AI list stacking, or what we're calling the AI sellability score. Pretty much what it does is it looks at billions of data points across every motivated seller in the United States of America and looks at the credit score, changes in address, how long they've owned the property. And it stacks multiple factors in all these lists to see how likely that person is wanting to sell their property for cash versus a regular seller. Now, it's not like a cure-all list, but what I've honestly found is usually 1 of 1,000 of those high AI sellability sellers are actually a good wholesaling deal compared to a vacant property list or even a government list where it's 1 out of 2,000, 1 out of 3,000. A government list, maybe 1 out of 500, but it's better than a vacant property or high equity. And so to do that, all you have to do is just go to xleads.com, get any plan you want, and go to leads. And depending on your plan, you might have 1, 3, 5, even an entire AI county or zip code under your manage your AI territory. And you can pull this AI list. So for example, if you're in the 34952 zip code and you want to do some AI drawing for dollars, which is really cool, you can go out here and go to a list, filter out really quick of just vacant properties, and then go out here and add it to your list and just press SkyDrive AI and start scanning. Press launch scan. And what the software does is it looks at a live satellite view of every property in America, and specifically the 344 that you selected. And it's going to score it from 0 to 100 how ugly the property is. For example, the property is looking at this photo right here and analyzing it and scores it if it's ugly or not. So this way is really cool. Anything above a 70, I'd probably wholesale. And anything below that, I wouldn't really want to deal with it. Now, what's really cool is the AI sellability score. So if you want to go out here in the 34952, which might be your AI territory, clear all the filters Now scroll down here to the wholesale AI score. Remember, usually 1 out of 1,000 ends up being a good deal. A vacant property, high equity is 1 out of 5, 1 out of 10,000. So this is slightly more sellers to get a deal than a government list, but it's way better than any paid list. It's an AI list. So I'd suggest you go 700, 750 or above for your zip code. Now you have 217 properties, and these are gonna be the top ones. So for example here, this property right here has a 997 wholesale score. Why is it so high? Well, they just threw a utility lien on the property right here, if you could see the details, and they're not paying their water bill, which means the water's not running on the property and they're not paying it. So there's a lien, which is showing some financial distress on the property, and probably their credit score screwed up. So on the back end, it's showing that, and possibly a probate, and combined on probably the satellite imagery you see here. That's why that score is really, really good. So that's why it's usually 1 out of 1,000 to be a deal here, compared to 1 out of 5,000 on another type of list. Now on top of that, if you wanted to like do AI to get a wholesale deal really easy, I would pull this entire list here of, let's call it 206 properties. I would select all right here, create that list, and I would then export it into the contacts tab, or just export in general, put it in your contacts. And I would just go out here and text these people. Now, the other cool thing you do with AI with X Leads is our AI SMS. And so it's really cool is you can literally just SMS blast these people with AI. So if you go to AI agents right here, X Leads already has a SMS one called Conversation AI. And we already have the agent right here, which is our X Leads texting bot, which is already trained. But the bot here, it's already trained in your account. And pretty much how it works is when you text a seller with the tag AI SMS bot, it's going to send a text to those 200 sellers. And if that seller replies back, the AI is going to go out here and text the seller back, analyze the property, details with questions about the property to the seller, analyze the motivation. And once the AI determines if the person's a lead or not, then it's going to decide what to do. So for example, it's going to text back and forth with our knowledge base, which is trained off of thousands and thousands of text messages that end up being deals for our company. And if the motivated seller is deciding that yes, they are interested in selling the property, that is the true north for this AI. If the AI bot can determine the person's interested in buying, if they're interested in selling their property for cash, then it's going to go thrown straight into your deal board for you, which we have all the automations right here to your wholesaling deal board under wants to sell. Now, if the person says, I do not want to sell my property for cash to the AI, it's just, you're not going to deal with them anymore. So pretty much how it works, you tag it AI SMS, make sure you set up your SMS. And so you're actually going to text the seller yourself with the automation. So you do AI SMS, it's going to text it out for you. But basically you're the one sending the text legally. And then if they reply back, the AI will text back and forth up to 5 times. And the AI will determine from there if they're interested in selling the property or if they're not. And if they are interested in selling the property for cash, it's not going to try to sell. It's not going to try to do that, which we don't want it to do. It's going to throw it right here into your deal board. It's going to give you a notification, and then you're going to take it from there and get a deal. The point is you could send 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,000 text messages in the month and have AI do all the texting back and forth. And then you're only going to get 20 or 30 properties in your deal board because those are the ones that actually want to sell for cash. It gets rid of VAs and all these things for you. But the only way that you're going to do that if you use X Leads. So I highly recommend for most people, you just go to the leads tab, get an AI sellability list, do some AI drawing for dollars, use the AI to go text, or even pull out crazy big high equity lists and have AI do the texting for you, which is really cool, and go out here and get a wholesaling real estate deal. Now, if you don't have the budget for this, it is $120 a month for the AI unlimited bot, and it's $97 a month for X Leads in general, and then probably a penny per text. So if you don't have a $200, $300, $400 a month budget, start doing the free AI stuff right now. Or you can use the $97 a month and get the AI sellability scores, the AI drawing for dollars, and just cold call yourself, whatever you want to do. But overall, guys, using AI is going to make your life a lot easier. You don't need to be behind the phones 5, 10 hours a day to go out here and get a wholesaling real estate deal. All you have to do is just start using some AI and maybe do 1, 2, 3 hours a day at most of work to go out here and get a wholesaling real estate deal with AI in 2026. The future is here. If you're ready to get started, guys, do me a favor. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, join my free real estate wholesaling school group, my coursing community, freewholesaling.com, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.